Let's now move on, viewers, and shift our focus to another important update that we are getting for you. This one is from the national capital. There's high drama that's being witnessed outside the Congress headquarters in Delhi. It's a protest by the BJP against Rahul Gandhi's traitor remark. It's Delhi BJP, in fact, that is holding a protest outside the Congress party's office, the headquarters in the national capital. Remember, it all started with the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi's traitor jibe at former party colleague Ravneet Singh Bittu in the parliament. And now Bharatiya Janata Party has escalated the attack on Rahul Gandhi. Specifically, a short while ago, there was a press conference by four very senior leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party who belong to the Sikh community, and they said how the remark, how the word that Rahul Gandhi has used for Ravneet Singh Bittu is like an insult to the entire community. And now what we are witnessing is a protest. Delhi BJP unit holding a protest outside the Congress party's headquarters in the national capital. Let's go across to my colleague Shivam, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Shivam, bring us up to speed with what's really happening. These are live visuals, I believe, we are getting from the national capital.
Exactly, and it seems like the handshake that never happened has led to a ripple effect of politics in the national capital. I would urge my camera person Jaspreet to zoom in, and he will show you how now there are workers, there are people in the Sikh community who are trying to cross the barricades. The police officials, the security officials are trying to make them understand that this is a VIP area and they don't have the permission to cross the barricades, but the Sikh community is adamant that they want to march to the Congress office and ask Rahul Gandhi for his resignation and seek a clarity on what he meant when he said that Ravneet Singh Bittu is a traitor. Was he referring to the entire Sikh community? This is what the BJP have been alleging, that this is the disrespect not just of one's union minister but of the entire Sikh community. The BJP is saying that it is the tendency, the mindset of Congress which has always been against the Sikh community, be it Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, the riots of 1984, Operation Blue Star. All these things were highlighted today in the protest, and the resignation of Rahul Gandhi was asked by the senior ministers including Virendra Sachdeva, RP Singh and other senior leaders. And here you are currently seeing the protesters have climbed the barricade. The police is trying to make them understand that this is a VIP area. They don't have the permission to march here, but the protesters are adamant on the fact that they want to cross this particular patch. They have already broken one layer of barricade. This is the second layer of barricade which has been done, and you can see heavy deployment of police officials, heavy deployment of security officials. Currently here, they are holding the placard saying Rahul Gandhi Istifa Do. Rahul Gandhi, please resign. They have also written on the placards that Sikh Sardar hai, Rahul Gaddar hai, that it is the Sikh community which is the supreme, and it is in fact Rahul Gandhi who is the actual traitor, as he is following what they are saying, the anti-Sikh mindset of the Congress party. So high action-packed drama going on just 50 meters away from the Congress office, from the Akbar Road, where now the police officials are trying to push them away. They're trying to make them understand that they are not required to go there. There's almost a scuffle breaking out here. The tensions are here, and you can also feel it with the people, and they are raising slogans saying Rahul Gandhi Istifa Do, Rahul Gandhi Jag Jao. Rahul Gandhi, we want your resignation, and Rahul Gandhi, we want a clarification from your side. So this is the current situation here, just outside the Congress office, 50 meters away from the Congress office. Again, the police officials again and again are trying to make them understand that they are not authorized to cross this road, but they are not ready at all. They are here with a mission to ask Rahul Gandhi what did he actually mean and why did he disrespect the entire Sikh community, is something that the BJP and all these people are asking here for now.
All right, so what we are witnessing right now is Gaddar versus Sardar. In fact, what we are seeing is a political controversy that has erupted. It all started with what you can see on the other side of the screen, viewers, what happened in the parliament earlier when Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, in fact, was caught on camera calling Union Minister of State Ravneet Singh Bittu a traitor. Now, that led to the Bharatiya Janata Party netas, in fact, slamming the Congress party and slamming Rahul Gandhi for insulting the entire community. And what we are witnessing right now is a protest that's currently underway in the national capital outside the Congress headquarters. Let's go back to my colleague Shivam, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Shivam, if you could also, perhaps try and speak with some of the BJP netas who are out there protesting. What are they demanding really?
Exactly. When we had a word earlier with Ravinder Singh Marwa, he basically said that they are trying to basically, raise question and ask that why did Rahul Gandhi made those remarks. And you also see Majlis Sirsa, he's also speaking with certain media houses. We'll also try and have a word with the common people who are currently present here, and we will have a word about what is their perspective when it comes to the recent outbreak that happened inside the parliament premises when Rahul Gandhi, almost gave a handshake, but with a taunt of calling the Ravneet Bittu a Gaddar, and after that you have seen the entire ripple effect that is currently happening and here, and we will also try and have a word. We'll try and go inside, but again there has been a heavy security deployment, so we'll have a word with all the common people who are currently present here. Sir, आप लोग यहाँ पर हैं, क्या डिमांड है आपकी राहुल गांधी का इस्तीफा?
देखो, पिता पर जात का घोड़ा कम नहीं तो थोड़ा थोड़ा राहुल गांधी जो है पार्टी के गद्दार हैं। उनके पिता जैसे उन्होंने 84 के दंगों पे कहा था कि कोई बड़ा पेड़ गिरता है तो थोड़ी जमीन हिलती है, और उनकी दादी ने स्वर्ण जो हमारा गुरुद्वारा है अमृतसर में उस पर हमला किया, गोले बरसाए थे। तो वही ये भी यही कर रहा है राहुल गांधी भी। वो देश का गद्दार और सिख कौम जो देश की वफादार है, देश की हर लड़ाई में, आजादी की लड़ाई में, 71 की लड़ाई में जहाँ सिख कौम हमेशा आगे रही है उसको टारगेट करते हैं, ये हमेशा सिखों का विरोध करते हैं।
So you see the people are saying that Rahul Gandhi is again following the anti-Sikh mindset is what they are calling of the Congress party. This is what the Rahul Gandhi has also been following. They've given example of how Rajiv Gandhi once said that when a big tree falls, the ground shakes, justifying what happened in 1984, and this is the reason why you're currently seeing that happening. There you see a certain action happening. There are certain, I can assume that there are certain level of detention which is happening as now the protesters are going back. They have been asked to go back and they were doing the protest, and here you see almost a scuffle breaking out between the police officials as well as the other common people here who are currently present here, and still the slogan are currently being raised against Rahul Gandhi, asking for accountability. And here you are seeing currently, I guess it is the BJP State President Vedas Deva who has been detained for now. I guess he has been taken inside the bus, the security bus. For almost 15-20 minutes we have been seeing the police officials were trying to make them understand that they're not allowed to protest here, but they were not following it. Now you are seeing a certain level of detention happening here. You are seeing how the senior leaders of the BJP, including the other Sikh leaders, are now being detained here. We are seeing Virendra Sachdeva being almost pushed inside the bus, inside the security bus which has been kept here to maintain the law and order. Remember, this is again a very VIP area, Akbar Road, which connects, one side, later it goes to the parliament as well. We are seeing the session is also on. So currently you are seeing detention of the workers, of all those who are raising the slogans happening here. They're still raising the slogans while being pushed inside the bus as well, and we will also try and have a word with all the people who are currently being,
अपने बलिदान के लिए जाती है, उस कौम को गाली दी है जिसमें पूरा हिंदुस्तानी गर्व करता है, और इसलिए हमने कहा है कि सिख सरदार है, राहुल गांधी गद्दार है। कांग्रेस की मानसिकता आज भी 84 के कत्लेआम में है। 84 में भी इन्होंने सिखों को गद्दार कहा था, 2026 में भी गद्दार कह रहे हैं। राहुल गांधी को मुस्लिम, दादी इंदिरा गांधी, राजीव गांधी, ये सारे सिख कौम के हथियार होने के बाद भी इन लोगों को शर्म नहीं है। आज 84 से 2026 आ गई है, ना इसमें माफी मांगी है, ना कोई हिसाब दिया इनकी सरकार के अंदर, केंद्र के अंदर हो या स्टेट के अंदर हो, आज तक इन्होंने कोई हिसाब नहीं दिया।
The protesters are being taken away from here. It has been said that since they were protesting at a place where they were not allowed to protest, now they have been taken away. The bus has gone, and now suddenly the security officials will take over this entire area and make sure that the traffic goes by, because again the main road has been blocked for now. For now you have seen the bus was taken from here, they were detained, and now they will be left at certain place which is away from here, because again it could have led to a law and order situation in the national capital, just very next to the main parliament premises, as the session is also currently going on. So for now the protesters have been detained.
Rahul Gandhi murdabad, murdabad. Rahul Gandhi murdabad, murdabad. हिटलर का यार है, जिसके लिए बिट्टू गद्दार है। ऐसे राहुल गांधी को हम कह रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी तुम गद्दार हो।
टाइटल का यार देश का गद्दार है, टाइटल का यार देश का गद्दार है। वो टाइटल के लिए रेड कार्पेट बिछाते हैं और बिट्टू को गद्दार
टाइटल का यार है, वो देश का गद्दार है। कोई बात नहीं, हमारी लड़ाई जारी रहेगी। राहुल गांधी को अपने बयान के लिए माफी मांगनी पड़ेगी।
All right, viewers, these are the live visuals coming in from outside the Congress headquarters in Delhi, where BJP netas who were protesting against Rahul Gandhi's traitor remark for Ravneet Singh Bittu, and in fact, BJP netas have been detained after the protest that they carried out because they did not have a permission. It's a high security area. Now, why did this really happen? Why did the protest happen? Why is BJP really upping the ante? It's because of an exchange, viewers, that earlier took place at Parliament's Makar Dwar, where Rahul Gandhi was standing with suspended Congress MPs when Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu, in fact, was also present. He was crossing that particular area. Rahul Gandhi then said, "Here's a traitor walking right by. Take a look at the face." And then he also extended his hand for a handshake. He said, "Hello, brother, my traitor friend. Don't worry, you will come back." He was probably referring to him coming back to Congress. Bittu then refused to shake hands and said, "Desh ke dushman." Take a look at this entire sequence.
Here is a traitor walking right by. Take a look at the face. This is what it looks like. Hello, brother. My traitor friend. Surrender. Don't worry, you'll come back. Surrender.
And Bharatiya Janata Party, viewers, has in fact strongly criticized the remarks of Rahul Gandhi, calling it that, the word that he really used, traitor, it has crossed all boundaries of civility, decency as well as dignity. We'll slip into a very short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.